And welcome to the Buffalo Sewer Authority Board meeting for May 25. This is a public meeting. It is being recorded. To keep accurate, are there any numbers that you do not? Area code. For accurate minutes, there is a phone number, area code 617-721-7005. Would you like to be added to our meeting attendance? If you'd like to, you could come off mute and identify yourself.
Yes, please. This is Doug Gove. I'm with AECom.
Thank you. All right, as a open meeting, we give everyone who participates the opportunity to address the board. If anyone would like time allotted to address the board, you could come off mute at this time or use the chat function, and we will allocate time for you.
Are you recording?
All right, hearing none, we will get started and we will turn the meeting over to our board chairman, Mr. Herbert Bellamy.
Thank you. Roll call. All officers are present. Item number one, motion to adopt the minutes of the meeting of May 22nd, 2025. Motion made. Second, all in favor? Ayes have it. May I have a motion to go into executive session to discuss the proposed acquisition of real property interest at 50 and 54 Gate Circle? Motion made. Second. Should we go in the other room? That would be easier. That way everybody can stay on there.
We will be going into executive session and we will come back shortly.
Back, everyone, we're back. May I have a motion to authorize the principal sanitary engineer and the executive secretary to enter into the easement agreement for the easement at 50 and 54 Gate Circle that supports the sewer authority's real-time control smart sewers project. Motion made, second, all in favor? Ayes have it. Item number 2. To approve the consent agenda. Is there a motion to approve the consent agenda? Motion made, second, all in favor? Ayes have it. Item number 3.
Item number 3 is the final schedule of sewer rents and other charges for the fiscal year beginning July 1st, 2025. The proposed schedule was approved by the board at the meeting of April 9th, 2025. Notice was published in the local news and the city record once a week for 3 consecutive weeks. And the proposed schedule was open for inspection for 30 days. No comments were filed. This schedule includes a $5 million increase in the levy of sewer rents and based on assessed value and a 3% consumer price index adjustment to sewer rents based on water use. It also continues our low income and senior discount programs for water use based for sewer rents based on water use. This schedule will enable the authority to carry out its operations in the coming year, and we recommend its approval.
Motion made, second, all in favor? Ayes have it. Item number 4.
Item number 4 is the contract approval for audit and accounting services. Our auditors, Drescher and Malecki, have proposed a contract for a 1-year period beginning July 1st, 2025 at a cost not to exceed $58,395. This is a 2% increase over the current year's cost. We have reviewed this contract and recommend its approval.
Made and second, all in favor? Ayes have it. Item number 5.
Item number 5, Mr. Chairman, is report on bids received for the purchase of sodium hypochlorite. Bison Laboratories, they were the low bidder at a cost per gallon of $1.59 for a total amount of $1,756,700. This has been reviewed and recommended for approval.
Motion made, second, all in favor? Ayes have it. Item number 6.
Item number 6, Mr. Chairman, is report on bids received for the purchase of our ferrous chloride. This is in the amount of 96 cents per gallon with Camara Water Solutions for a total cost of $309,440. This has been reviewed and recommended for approval.
Motion made, second, all in favor? Ayes have it. Item number 7.
Item number 7, Mr. Chairman, is a deduction change order for the grit removal system improvement project. The original cost was $884,000. It was at $21,110, $110.86. Deduct for unused contingency. The consulting engineer Arcadis has approved or has certified that the contractor completed all work. The senior instrumentation technician concurs. We recommend approval.
Motion made, second, all in favor? Ayes have it. Item number 8.
Item number 8, Mr. Chairman, is a certificate of acceptance and occupancy for the grid removal system improvement project, same project as the previous item. The original contract was $884,000 with a deduct change order of $21,110.86. The adjusted contract cost was $862,889.14. The consulting engineer, Arcadis, has advised the contractor has completed everything in accordance with scope and specs. Buffalo Sewer Authority Capital Improvement Project staff has concurs. We recommend approval.
Motion made, second, all in favor? Ayes have it. Item number 9.
Item number 9, Mr. Chairman, is reports on bids received for various cast iron castings. This is for 125 standard manhole frame and covers. We have 2 bidders. EJ USA was the low bidder at a cost of $73,475. Myself and my staff have reviewed this and recommend your approval.
Made, second, all in favor? Ayes have it. And number 10.
Item number 10, Mr. Chairman, is reports on bids received for various new and unused steel products. This is for some receiver bottom sections, various top sections, and various curb boxes. We had 2 bidders, with Melius Welding being the low bidder at $116,675. I have reviewed this with my staff, and we recommend Melius Welding receiving this.
Motion made, second, all in favor? Ayes have it. Item number 11.
Item number 11, Mr. Chairman, first I want to make a change on the floor. There is a typo in the second line. It reads July 1st, 20,205. It should be 2025. This is reports on bids received for removal of miscellaneous construction debris. We had 2 bidders on this, modern disposal, waste management. Waste management was the low bidder at $64 a ton, which is a total of $128,000 based on 2,000 tons. I have reviewed this with my staff and we recommend approval.
Motion made, second, all in favor? Ayes have it. And item number 12.
And number 12, Mr. Chairman, is an extension of the contract for in-plant equipment maintenance services. Full Industrial Services has agreed to extend the contract for 1 additional year for the fiscal year 2025 to 2026. The cost not to exceed $2,315,867. There's also a request to make a change on the floor. General manager should be changed to executive secretary. It's been reviewed and recommended for approval.
Thank you. Motion made, second, all in favor? Ayes have it. Item number 13.
And number 13, Mr. Chairman, is authorization to enter into an agreement for continuation of a third-party grid infrastructure stewardship service program. RFP was submitted to multiple organizations. Service Collaborative of Western New York provided the only response to the RFP at specified deadline. Additionally, there was a national change to the AmeriCorps grant program where they terminated $400 million in grants that affected the Service Collaborative. Result of that issue, in addition to the sole proposal by the Service Collaborative, they were requested to revise their proposal to reflect this change. As such, they submitted a revised proposal and at a total cost not to exceed $350,000. This has been reviewed and recommended for approval.
Motion made, second, all in favor? Ayes have it. Item number 14.
Item number 14, Mr. Chairman, is,
Actually, that's what we're removing. So is there a motion to remove item number 14 from there?
Motion to remove.
Motion made second. All in favor? Ayes, ayes have it. Item number 15.
item number 15, Mr. Chairman, is, change order number 1 to, Wendell's, Hennepin Park Infrastructure Project. This has been approved by the board, in a poll, and we are asking for ratification of that, authorization, in the amount of $64,650.
Motion made second. All in favor? Ayes, ayes have it. Item number 16. Is there a motion to remove this from the?
Motion made.
Motion made. Second. All in favor? Ayes, ayes have it. Item number 17.
Item number 17, Mr. Chairman, is the revised change order number 1 to the Watts Smart Sewer and Water Placement contract. This changes the work from the design of work on Howard Street and West, or Howard and Oneida, to Parks packages 2, 3, and right-of-way package number 7. This change order is in the amount of $666,423.47. And you can recommend it.
Motion made. Second. All in favor? Ayes, ayes have it. Item number 18. Is there a motion to remove this from the table? Motion made. Second. All in favor? Ayes, ayes have it. Item number 19.
Item number 19, Mr. Chairman, is change order number 1 to the revised change order number 1 to AKRF's contract for smart sewer and water replacement phase 3. It changes the scope of work from design at Academy Street and West Avenue to design for the BMHA sites at Ferry Grider and Kentfield Langfield. Change order is in the amount of $1,628,681. We reviewed this item and recommended.
Motion made. Second. All in favor? Ayes, ayes have it. Item number 20. Is there a motion to remove this from the table? Motion made. Second. I think I heard her. All in favor? Ayes, ayes have it. Item number 21.
Item number 21, Mr. Chairman, is the revised change order for Stantec Environmental Impact Fund Services. This includes additional programmatic support services, the Buffalo Public Schools package, and right-of-way packages 1, 2, 4, 8, and 9. Buffalo Public Schools packages described in attachment E, and the right-of-way packages are shown in attachment D to the board agenda. This change order is in the amount of $5,342,040.04. We do recommend its approval.
Motion made. Second. All in favor? Ayes, ayes have it. Item number 22. May I have a motion to remove this from the table? Motion made. Second. All in favor? Ayes, ayes have it. Item number 23.
Item number 23, Mr. Chairman, is authorization to enter into an agreement with Wendell Companies for professional engineering services. This is the revised version of item number 22. It is in the amount of $1,691,250. It is for right-of-way packages 3, 5, and 6, as identified in attachment B. A total impervious acreage of 39.5 acres, and we do recommend it.
Motion made. Second. All in favor? Ayes, ayes have it. Item number 24.
Item number 24, Mr. Chairman, is authorization to enter into an engineering service agreement with AECom for the design of the Roosevelt Park offline storage facility. 5 design teams submitted proposals for this project. A consultant selection committee has reviewed these consultant packages, and we do recommend awarding to AECom in the amount of $1,848,450.
Okay, second. All in favor? Ayes, ayes have it. Item number 25.
Item number 25, Mr. Chairman, is authorization to enter into an engineering service agreement with CHA for the design of the Sydney Lark inline storage facility. This is a 7-foot diameter 1,000-foot long sewer and 50-foot deep drop shaft to the existing Skajak tunnel. We did receive 4 design packages in response to an RFP for this. The consultant selection committee does recommend approval of CHA for these consultant services in the amount of $3,270,000.
Okay, second, all in favor? Ayes have it. Item number 26.
Item number 26, Mr. Chairman, is the municipal resolution authorizing grant application and execution of agreements for financial assistance. This resolution reiterates the bylaws which authorize the principal sanitary engineer and the executive secretary to operate in the absence of a general manager, and they share those duties. So we recommend approval of this item.
Motion made, second, all in favor? Ayes have it. Item number 27.
Item number 27, Mr. Chairman, is authorization to provide required minimum local match funding for the Environmental Facilities Corporation 2024 Green Resiliency Grant. This is a grant in the amount of $8,750,000, and we are asking for approval to utilize the Environmental Impact Fund to fund the match of $972,222. We do recommend.
Motion made, second, all in favor? Ayes have it. Item number 28, adjournment of the meeting. Motion made, second, all in favor? It's left there, everyone. Joe.